111. Hang on. Meaning, wait a short time. Informal.
Example, hang on while I grab my coat and shoes.
122. Hang out. Meaning, spend time relaxing. Informal.
Example, instead of going to the party, we are just going to hang out at my place.
123. Hang up. Meaning, end a phone call.
Example, he didn't say goodbye before he hung up.
124. Hold someone or something back. Meaning, gets too big for.
Example, I had to hold my dog back because there was a cat in the park.
125. Hold something back. Meaning, hide an emotion.
Example, Jamie held back his tears at his grandfather's funeral.
126. Hold on. Meaning, wait a short time.
Example, please hold on while I transfer you to the sales department.
127. Hold on to someone or something. Meaning, hold firmly using your hands.
Example, hold on to your hat because it's very windy outside.
128. Hold someone or something up. Meaning, rob.
Example, a man in a black mask held the bank up this morning.
129. Keep on doing something. Meaning, continue doing.
Example, keep on stirring until the liquid comes to a boil.
130. Keep something from someone. Meaning, stay positive. North America. Informal.
Example, hang in there. I'm sure you'll find a job very soon.